This is the preview video for the course Digital File Management Part 2. It covers tasks I wish I had included in Course 4. This video will be short, so let's get right to it. The course includes detailed instructions for 5 tasks. The tasks will help you remove duplicate photos and videos more accurately, thoroughly, and efficiently. When I began working on Task 3, I realized I needed to include Directory Opus in the workflow. I'd been trying to stick to using only Duplicate Cleaner Pro 5 and File Explorer, but Directory Opus could not be avoided. Task 1 is for identifying different color versions of photos, like black and white or sepia. If your client wants to keep some or all different color versions of photos, they'll need to be identified and have a keyword added so you don't accidentally remove them as duplicates. If they're not identified, duplicate removal will take a lot longer because you'll need to check all the thumbnails in DCP5 after every scan. If a project's scope includes preserving added metadata, it also helps to remove useless or redundant metadata, like a description that reads Olympus Digital Camera. And sometimes it's a good idea to move metadata, like the phrase shown here in the keywords field, to a more appropriate field. Phrases like this belong in the description field. Tasks 3 and 4 can be handled by Directory Opus very easily. Removing system and hidden file attributes will put an end to the annoying warnings you get when trying to move files with those attributes. And editing file extensions is necessary so that the same file extension option in DCP5 can be used. The final task covered in the course is editing file names. Editing file names allows you to take maximum advantage of the Ignore Copy Part of File Name option in DCP5. You'll be using regular expressions, which you don't need to understand, to find file names to edit. Then use more regular expressions to edit those file names. It's a very important task that can make duplicate removal much more efficient. I hope you'll visit my website, my course's website, and my YouTube channel to learn more about expert digital photo and video organizing.